iRobot Roomba 614 Review. Welcome to Vacuumizer. iRobot Roomba 614 is a great way to begin cleaning your home more smartly. This robotic vacuum cleaner uses an acoustic sensor to detect debris being pulled into the bin. iRobot Roomba 614 specifications: vacuum type, robotic vacuums, dimensions, 17 by 18 by 5 inches, weight, 11.5 pounds, max runtime, up to 90 minutes, Bagless Cordless, yes, controller type, remote control, auto recharge resume, yes. iRobot Roomba 614 Pros, comfortable to use in multiple flooring types, engineered for performance, dual multi-surface brushes, clean debris from carpets and hard floors, dirt detect technology, sweeps away debris hiding along walls, intelligently navigates your home. iRobot Roomba 614 Cons, actually, not able to select too many cleaning modes. Thanks for watching Vacuumizer, don't forget to subscribe.